Hello guys, your lady teenager Umoto. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. It's another beautiful evening guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe to my channel. I know it's been a while, but hey, I'm here. Guys, as you know, Christmas is almost here. Why not talk about Christmas? Guys, you can tell Christmas is almost here and I'm ready. I'm right in my kitchen, So today I went for Christmas shopping, and guys, I tell you, I don't even know what to cook. This year I'm hosting Christmas, and I'm hosting Christmas, guys. I'm wearing a sweater because it's cold. It's freezing. Like, my God, we're gonna be like 20s tomorrow or something. So this year I'm hosting a very, very cold Christmas. So I was like, the family, my friends, some of my friends are coming here to my house because I'm the one who's hosting Christmas. And I was like, what am I supposed to cook? It's too much for me. Of course, they're gonna come with something, but I am the main cook. Like, I'm the one who's gonna host it. Oh my goodness, guys. If you have not turned those bells on, make sure you turn the bells on because we might go live when I'm gonna host the Christmas, okay? So I bought a couple of things here, so I'm gonna be showing you what I bought. Some of them I freeze already. So, but the main thing here, finally I found it. Guys, I found sugarcane. Do you know what sugarcane is? Guys, I can't even bite. My teeth are not that strong anymore to bite the sugarcane. But because, guys, let me tell you something. When I used to be back home, you know, I'm from Kenya, girl. I'm a village girl from Kenya, you know. When I was back home, I used to love to chew a sugarcane. So some of my family members used to plant this. Even my own garden, I remember we used to have this. My goodness, even when I was going to school, you know, primary schools, you know, we used to eat this for lunch. Can you imagine? So I remember those days. One of these days I'm gonna tell you my rough history of how I went to school. On, you know, guys, it's been a crazy journey. But hey, here I am right now. So when I went to this store, it's a grocery store. It's a kind of a Mexican store because this sugar canes actually comes from Mexico. So, but when I went to this store, I'm looking like, wait a minute, do I see sugar cane? So I saw some people grabbing some sugar cane. I'm like, my goodness, I don't care. It's gonna be taste like mine, but hey, I need to grab that sugar cane. And then I went ahead and I grabbed two of them actually. One of them was $1 actually and 60 cents. So like this is $1.60. Very pricey, but I had to eat it. All I wanted to do is just to kind of chew it, even though I know my teeth are not strong. But hey, I was going to buy it, so I'm so excited, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I already washed this, and I have a knife here. When we used to buy this back home, so the whoever was selling, so they have to hold like this, and you tell them how much you want, and then you hold one side, and then they cut it for you like this. My gosh, I miss that. You say, I need this for shillings or whatever, and they cut it for you. My gosh, guys, back home, I miss it so much. So they cut it for you here, and then you pay. I remember I used to pay to buy like two. You see over here is the middle. So I remember I used to buy like this, or sometimes I can buy 3 of this. So it's like a quarter. 2 sections. So I remember I used to buy this, but now I can't remember if I can chew because I have my dental work has been done. It's been so many years. Guys, I'm saying it's been so many years since I ate this thing. But when I saw it, I'm like, let me go try. Yeah. Yes, guys, this is how we used to eat it. Let me see if it tastes. Yes, you see? Okay. Jameni, mnakumbuka hii miwa wa Kenya wetu? Hata US hapa kuna miwa. I'm just speaking short Swahili, guys. I'm telling my people, like, even here in the US, we have sugarcane. Yes, we do. Guys, it's so sweet, and this is exactly how I used to eat it. It's so sweet. I may go back and buy more. You see now, this goes in the garden because it's manure. Guy. So I'm gonna be eating all this today. Oh my goodness, I love that chewing and that sugar. My gosh, it's really good. Guys, comment below if you miss sugarcane like me. Finally, I found it, and I'll tell you. I'll comment below there if you miss it, if you want it. So if you live here in the US, yes, we do have sugarcane. And actually, it's so sweet, like the ones I used to eat. So yeah, we can eat sugarcane, and it comes from Mexico. Okay. Yes, so I wanted to show you that because I was so excited, guys, to kind of show you, hey, my Christmas. And I wanted to show you what I'm going to cook for Christmas. Not all of it, but some of the menu that's going to be on my Christmas. Of course, we are going to cook the drumsticks, guys. These are the drumsticks. This is chicken. So I put it on my freezer, and you see it's already frozen. But this is, I'm going to cook this. Actually, I'm going to barbecue this during Christmas. So these drumsticks, guys, it's they have 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3. There are 6 pieces right in here. These are thighs, so it goes for $4.29. So yeah, this is what we're going to eat, and I got it from a store they call Viesta. Viesta is a store, it's a grocery store where we buy. So this is what we got for menu. Of course, I got 2 of this because my family is big. So this is one of the menu. And of course, I am going, guys, to make samosa. My gosh, my mama taught me how to make samosa, but you have to buy this mixed meat right here. So I bought this mixed. Actually, I got this from Walmart, and it's how many pounds is it? It's 2.25 pounds. Yes, it's a beef. Yes, and this, I'm gonna use this to make samosa. And when I'm gonna make samosa, guys, I found something from Costco store. So this is what we call chapati. Chapati, of course, is of flour that we make. But I found ready chapati from this store. They look like this. They call them tortilla land, but back home we call them chapati, soft taco. Here they call them soft taco, but this is chapati for us. From where I come, these are chapati, they're already pre-made. So all you have to do is just put oil, a little bit of oil, and fix it. But I'm gonna use this with this beef to make tacos. So I'm not gonna make this from scratch, but this one is gonna help me, okay? And I'll show you the final products during Christmas. So tune in, guys. And of course, I have my beans here. My people love my beans already. These are just beans that I boiled. I cook them actually outside. You know, sometimes I love to cook outside. So I cook them outside, and I'm freezing them so that they can be ready for Christmas. Of course, I have more. I'm just wanted to show you. Guys, of course, I can't go without freezing my saga. These are veggies. Back home, we call it saga. So this is going to be part of the menu. And of course, I'm going to have my tomatoes. So tomorrow, actually, I'm going to buy more groceries. It's going to be freezing cold, but I'm going to buy more things to cook for my Christmas. Of course, I'm going to have drinks. I'm going to have everything. So I already fixed my fridge. It's not much in there, but let me show you my fridge. So guys, you can see what's in there. Teenager Motto's fridge. I got my breads here, guys. My water. Everything is in here. I got my onions in here and tomatoes. My greens in here, guys. Back this fridge tomorrow. I got my milk and my juices over there and my eggs. Everything is in here. So this is my fridge. Are you not surprised seeing Teenager Motto fridge? Yes! My fridge is plenty. My gosh. Comment below what you put in your fridge, okay? So that's teenager mother fridge. One of these days I'm gonna do everything about my fridge. But today I just wanted to show you what I have and what I'm gonna cook. Guys, I love this chocolate. I don't know, nowadays this is like my thing. Every evening I have this. I can have this actually with plain water, hot water, or I can have it with hot water mixed with milk. My gosh, it's really good. You need this. And this one I got it from Costco. It's called hot cocoa. You know, really nice. Really nice. So guys, that's what I'm going to cook. Of course, make sure you turn in your notification bell because Christmas is here and I'm gonna be hosting Christmas, guys. You do not wanna miss this. We're gonna be dancing, we're gonna be having fun. Guys, are you prepared your Christmas tree already? My Christmas tree, guys, let me show you, it's already here, but it's not fully like prepared, fully decorated. My boys put this Christmas here, but I'm gonna be decorating the Christmas. Of course, we have some on the other side. But hey, stay here. Don't forget about teenager motto. And guys, from my kitchen to you guys, please turn on your notifications and share these videos so that we can prepare ourselves. And if you did not watch my other videos, make sure you go and watch. So from my kitchen to yours and my Christmas hat, I wish you happy, Merry Christmas. And you know we have Happy New Year. But from today, I'll be posting a video each and every day so that you guys can see how I'm preparing my Christmas. Guys, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.